I finally got around to making that TPMS thing that I talked about a few months ago. I had to order the sensors and the tool to pair them to the car. I tried to make it with a threaded cap, but the fucking threads kept leaking. So, yeah, I guess when these go bad, you just kind of throw this one away and get 4 new sensors and another piece of PVC. Well, I've driven my car now a few times with this TPMS tube, and everything works good. I just have one sensor reading a little low, and I think it's because I put some plastic in there to separate the sensors, and I believe that the plastic's over one of the holes. I guess I don't know why that one sensor's not reading right, but it does in fact work. So no more having to replace freaking sensors in tires.